Let's review how to use the Video Looper accordion on the video editor page of Toolkit.law. Select the Suite section, then the Creative Suite, and open the video editor page. Click on the Video Looper accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you can start by uploading your file directly from your device or securely connect to platforms like Box, Clio, Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. Once loaded, the tool immediately displays the clip's length, helping you confirm you're using the correct footage. Preview the video directly to check visuals, sound, and timing. Then simply enter how many times you want the clip to repeat. From the Content toolbar, click on the loop icon for with one click. Once ready, download your video in multiple formats, or clear to restart if needed. You can share it securely by web link, email, or feedback. This tool is ideal for legal review, courtroom exhibits, and client presentations. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Video Looper accordion.